Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, today's just a bit of an update, nothing happening today. I was going to actually do a video on the Banana, the NVT Easy Rider running. It's all okay now. It's got the new carb I originally bought, which was too large to fit on the stub into the engine. I managed to muck about and I found a smaller insert to go inside the insert on the new carb, and it's fitted on quite nicely now, and it's fantastic. I've been riding it around. I'm trying to get confidence in it running because I've got a show I'll plan in September to take it to, so that's okay. I was going to go and film it today, but I've had a different idea. My plan now is to, as you know, I haven't got much money because of my mum's flat. My late uncle has left me a little bit, and also my wife, but most of the share goes to my son, which I didn't know about anyway. He said, can it go to them? Well, for his future. Yeah, that's fine. But I thought, well, I can't really afford a restoration video. It's not so much just buying the bike, it's all the bits and everything. So the plan is I'm going to do this little series of videos called From Rust to Raw. Just a little idea. And I'm going to go somewhere different because I've got the van. I've thought of a nice place to go to. And through credit, I've actually managed to get hold of a DJI Neo 2 drone, which, because I do a lot of filming on my own, this can actually have me going along the road, and also you can film using the camera. Very good camera on it. And it's also got, I've also bought a microphone as well. So these microphones are great, but the problem I'm having is that every time I go out, the little receiver bit that clips onto the camera is just a fraction in or out, and you lose contact with the microphone. So when I go out riding, sometimes, well, more or less straight away, it disconnects, so you don't hear me, you know, if I'm doing a commentary. So I've got a microphone that actually links to the drone, and this camera I've got here, which is the DJI Osmo, the first one, basically like an iPhone 1, and that was in the days when I was doing the die-cast restorations, and it was pretty good camera then. But I've ordered a DJI Osmo 5 Pro, which also has a receiver built into it, and also has built-in storage as well for the videos. So the microphone will link straight to the phone, so I'm not going to well, straight to the camera, so I'm not going to hopefully lose that signal by it coming loose. So that's what I've done. That's coming in the week, as I said, I was going to do this today, but I'm going to try and do this new series, basically go through every bike, if you're interested, and I can do hopefully a more professional showing of each bike. So it's going to be called Rust to Raw. So when they, obviously most of them are rusty to start with and now running. So it's just an update. I thought you might like to see that whilst I'm waiting for mum's flat, and then we can get back to restorations later on, hopefully later on in the year. But it's just going to be an episode a week. Depends, I'll be doing it on a Sunday, so it depends on the weather, but generally it'll be once a week, and it'll probably come out in the week. So before I go, just wanted to show you one little thing. And thanks to Nick Payne, he sent me the award that I got for the BSA Aerial 3. And he's also done a little extra one down here for, what does it say, awarded to Jeffrey Mortimer for his outstanding restoration, Alfred the BSA Aerial 3. So it did come with little stands, but I thought, well, I'll make it look a little bit like a gold disc. So I'll put it into the little frame here. So that's one of my, well, it's the only award I've ever got for anything. So so you just come round. I've still got the picture up there of the meet-up we had. And yeah, so the other two bikes, Patricia the Piaggio is in this other shed at the moment, and also Derek the Velo Solix. Right, so next week, hopefully, better camera equipment, better microphones that don't disconnect on their own. So tell me what you think. New series, just a little mini series. which will be called Rust and Raw. So looking back, just going to do little reviews on all of them, any old pictures I have of them on each video. So it just gets me by for a few weeks till hopefully some better news from me mum's flat. So until next week, hopefully, you take care. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.